All right, welcome back to my lyrical channel once again. We thank God. Yes, today mark the end of the year, and this is my end of year message to all electricians of all category. Yes, beginners, journeymen, and also professionals and experts. Yes. Now, I want us to listen to this message very carefully. Yes. It doesn't matter the class you are. You can be in class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. The class 1 is the beginner, which is the novice. The class 2 is the journeyman. The class 3 is the professional. And the class 4 is the expert. It doesn't matter if you are in any of these categories. Right. Now, this is my message to all. When you are given an electrical, you are given a place to go and wire or do your installation, electrical installation, please don't stay in your office and start to give estimate. That is wrong. You will always be wrong when you do that. No matter how you are expert, you have done the job for so many years. That is wrong. Yes. Because, remember, you must go and see the place. Know the environment. Know the condition of the environment. Because, why? Even the earth alone, if you don't visit the site, whether the place is rocky or the place is sandy, the place is loamy, you don't know. It's salty, you don't know. So you have to go to the site with the client. Tell him you need him to go with the site. So just as you can see, if you are given a three bedroom house like this or self-contained, make sure you go to the site with the client. Just go and ascertain the place, assess the place, check the place, be with the client, tell him, right, you say you need one socket, but I believe 2 will be okay for you. And this is the reason why. Agree with him. There should be agreement before you continue with any other thing. And note this down. Make sure whatever you do, you will be taking note. Be taking note and be doing use your hand to be doing some sketch. Draw the house yourself so that when you come to the house, you put it on proper documentation. That is what we call electrical planning or electrical plan. Then, after you finish whatever you do on site, now, the client may tell you, I don't need any air conditioning in any of the room. You ask him, he'll tell you never. Then you tell him, okay, this is how I do my work. Even though you don't need it today, tomorrow you will need it. So I'm going to add all the future expansions by what? Cutting cutting the place or cutting the house, put my pipes and put my box, so that in future, when the place is plastered and painted, there is no way I will come back and chisel back. So you put future expansion, future extension, future routes, and future paths down for future works. Right. So when you are done in that way, now you tell him, now I cannot go to my office and document everything and come back and present to you. We sit down, we talk about it before I carry out my work. When you are doing that, the client start to think deeply that, oh, this man knows his work. But when you stayed in your office initially and you start giving the estimate, the person will underrate you. He will know that you are not a professional. So, as we enter in 2025 tomorrow, let us make sure we add some techniques, professionalism. We add some little, improving skills to whatever we do. Let's change our style of doing things so that we'll be respected by our clients. Yes, even though we are working for them, they should also know who we are and what we can do. And we should believe in ourselves what we can do. Yes, don't be intimidated and don't be pressed by a customer so that you do mistake that at the end you'll be blamed. Yes, so now you come back to the office, put everything on electrical plan, and then now you do your wiring diagram. Then now you can choose the number of cables that will be needed for the entire house, and then you select your distribution board, the specific distribution board, the one that can be able to accurately feed the whole house. And then you can give a tangible estimate. Then you put your price whereby you can think that the end of that project can pay your workers, can pay you, and there will not be any problem. So this is what I want to talk about. Make sure whatever you do, you plan. Go to the site with the client, take all assessment, take note, come to the office, draw your plan, put everything, document everything, both the materials, your electrical plan, and your charge. Document everything before you present it to your client, so that at the end of it all, when you finish the work, you have a clean job, you have a clean document, and at the end of it all, your work will be respected, you save life, you give life to your client, and at the end, you have your free mind, the client will have his free mind. So this is my end of year message to all professionals, beginners, and experts. If you are a beginner, work with someone. If you are a journeyman, work with someone. If you are a professional, work with someone. If you are an expert, work with someone. Right. Thanks so much. God be with you. And I wish you a happy new year from tomorrow. Be blessed. Stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye for now.